today's top tip is all about eating that frog. And it's based on a book by Tracy with the name Eat That Frog. What does it mean to eat that frog? It means that you need to do the most difficult thing on your to-do list first thing in the morning. This same thing is often the thing that we procrastinate on the most. But why do we want to eat our frogs first thing in the morning? Most often, these frogs are the things that bring value to you in the long run. For example, like finding a volunteer tutoring job. And it's also often items that's not clearly defined, or as I call it, they're slippery. For example, collecting data or writing a literature review. So how do we approach these frogs? We should be on the lookout for them. What are the things that you are typically procrastinating on? You know, those things that are being carried over to next day and the next day and the next day's to-do list. Identify them and then eat at least one of them first thing in the morning.
If you found this video helpful, smash the like button. For more useful tips to boost your research experience, subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below this video. And while you're at it, hit the bell so that you get notified whenever I produce a new video. If you need a solution to a challenge not yet covered on my channel, leave a comment in the box below. See you in the next video.